Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ross and I drive my 2024 Subaru Forester here. So here I am at Floyd Bennett Field. Used to be an old airport. I'm looking at runways here. No plane has landed here in many decades, but it's a perfect spot to learn how to drive or to test your car. 10-15 years ago, having these pedals was just like the coolest thing. But now, in today's world, in 2025, even Honda Odyssey and minivans have them, so they lost their cool for sure. But do I like them? What I think about them? Let's see. I mean, it's gonna do simulated gear shifts regardless, but with these pedals, you could control the shifts. Do you think it's a gimmick? Of course it is. Do I use it? Never. But it's cool to have, to show your friends once, but then they're just there. I mean, if they were gone tomorrow, I think it would be even a cleaner design, but some people, I guess, like seeing this plus minus here. So let me show you how it works, and let me show you how to use them. So the first thing you're gonna need to do, let me put the car in manual mode. I'm in first. It's not gonna let you go past the second one, past the second simulated gear, of course. It's a CVT after all. So we're starting. Let me see how far it goes on the first one. Yeah, the CVT doesn't sound like it likes it. Now we can go to the second, third, fourth, and you get the idea. And then we can downshift it. Will I be using this mode again anytime soon? Absolutely not. But let me tell you one cool thing that I kind of do like. So here's something interesting about the pedal shifters. The conventional thinking is that you have to be in the manual mode for the gears to shift. But look what's gonna happen now. I'm gonna be in drive. And when I'm in drive, try to go up, nothing's happening. But if I press the left pedal, as you could see, for a second there, it throws you into the gears. And then once you see 4, 3, you could control it, as you could see. But then it goes back to drive. So that way you kind of can nudge the car. It's kind of like a hybrid mode, so to speak, not being the fuel efficiency hybrid mode, but I'm talking about the hybrid mode between the drive and the manual gear select choice. Because this whole time I'm in drive. Let's say you need to speed up and you don't want to go for the drive mode, right? You could just simply go, boom, downshift, and yeah. Sounds like I'm torturing the car, and yeah, I don't want to do that. So now it went back to drive. So like I said, this whole thing is not super intuitive because there's no real gears here. It's a CVT. It all feels gimmicky and it's too loud and it just doesn't sound like what you want to hear per se, you know what I mean? I mean, try it. If you like it, it's your cup of tea, good, but to me it's a gimmick and I don't ever use it, nor will I use it. But for the purposes of this video, here's how it works, and now you know the drill. You can switch it over to manual and go through the pedals, or you could be in drive itself and it's gonna let you downshift, but then it's gonna go back to drive. But that way you can sort of like nudge the car over and be like, hey, I need a little bit more speed here, or, you know. So that's the pedal shifters on my Subaru Forester Sport. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe for more useful videos like this. Take care.